Hello friends, welcome once again. In this video series, we will talk about the group testing technique. Incidentally, I was myself a group testing officer, first with 21 SSB Bhopal and later with 11 SSB Allahabad. In this video, I'll tell you a little basic about the GTO series and I'll talk about the GTO briefings. Now, you understand the psychological test you gave one day before. And the next day you go for the GTO 1 and then later GTO 2. The basic principle of GTO technique is here the candidate is tested as an individual but in context of a group. The basics of group testing is the candidate is tested as an individual but in context of an experimental group. So that's a group. So the group dynamic starts playing. So here the group dynamics starts playing. What does it mean? There are multiple influences, constructive and destructive, and we want to see what is the individual candidate's ability to function in a group. That's one. Number two, based on his functional capacity, the GTO ascertains certain levels, in fact two levels. One, what is the present level of performance and what is the expected level of performance and how much is the gap, and next, can this gap be filled by the training at the various academies. So there the factor comes trainability factor. The trainability factor itself consists of four parameters on which it is done, which I will not talk about here because this video will become lengthy. It is already given in one of the AFSUP video of a recommended candidates interview, that is Anmol Agnihotri. So go to the AFSUP channel and type Anmol Agnihotri. She is a recommended candidate for naval flying. Uske andar almost half an hour we have discussed the trainability factors, what are the various factors and how it is considered. So दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, your present level of performance, the expected level of performance, how much is the gap, and then GTO has to take a call whether with the factors of trainability, that is your training in various academy for multiple whatever duration, can this gap be bridged so that you reach an acceptable profile of a average officer. अगर उन्हें लगता है ये गैप भर जाएगा, he recommends you overall टास्क परफॉर्मेंस के बेस पे, और अगर उन्हें नहीं लगता है तो आपको रेकमेंड नहीं करेंगे. सो दैट्स द बेसिक्स ऑफ ग्रुप टेस्टिंग. अनलाइक इन द साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट वेयर individual was tested in isolation, in GTO a candidate is tested in as individual but in context of a group. So that's a difference. That psychological test is called Mansa, whereas this is called Karmana, action wala. So we'll talk about all those things. And GTO mein there's a concept called leaderless group task. What is leaderless group task? You are being made to function in a group and nobody is a leader, nominated leader, other than the command task. But anyway, command task is not a classical group task because the two subordinates are not going to contribute anything intellectually. They can only physically help. So that's not a conventional, that does not qualify to be a proper group. So all other tasks where the group is performing, a concept of leaderless group task comes. I hope you are aware of that. If not, please put it in the comment box. So we want a video on the leaderless group task and we'll make it available. Now there are 9 tasks in the GTO series which are grouped under 3 factors. I'll tell you 3 series. I'll tell you what are those. The 9 tasks are group discussion, group planning exercise, progressive group task, group obstacle race, half group task, lecturate, individual obstacle, command task, and final group task in the same sequence. These 9 tasks are conducted over 2 days. In some cases, they do it one, that's a local, decision they've taken. Otherwise, it is to be conducted over 2 days. From group discussion to lecturate, it is conducted over the first day. It's called the GTO 1 day. And command task and final group, individual obstacle, command task and final group task are conducted on the GTO 2 day. Now, the first 4 tasks are called the basic series. That is, basic series consists of group discussion, group planning exercise, progressive group task, and group obstacle race. The next four, I've written basic series against. It is not basic series. It is called confirmatory series. This is correction. Confirmatory series. So half group task, lecturate, individual obstacle, and command task are called confirmatory group series, and the last task is called final series. So there are three series: basic series, confirmatory series, and final series. Now there is a video by the name Significance of the First Four Tasks in the GTO series, that is basic series GD, GP, PGT, and GOR. In first four tasks, if you don't perform well and come up as engine, your chances of getting subsequently cleared by the GTO becomes weak. I'll not again talk about this here. There's already a video. In fact, I'll be making a separate video for the video series that I'm currently building up. So if you have not seen that video, request you to watch that. Significance of the first four tasks in the GTO series. Watch that. Now, today's video, what I'm going to tell you is that before each of these 9 tasks, there is a detailed briefing given by the group testing officer, and this is the way the briefing is given for each of the tasks. You're made to stand in a semicircle, GTO stands in front of you and he briefs you. So there are 9 briefing for each of these tasks. Now people who are going to SSB without coaching, if you pay complete attention to this briefing, you will exactly know what is the expectation from the candidate in each of these tasks. So task expectation, group discussion है, there are 2 discussion. First में international affairs या current affairs national के ऊपर आता है, तो आपको वो content होगा तो आप बोल पाओगे, and you exactly know what is the expectation if you pay attention to each and every word in the briefing that is given by the GTO. Now those people who go on for coaching, for example, you come to me, since you have put through that, there is a casual attitude that comes कि मुझे तो सब coaching में पता चल गया. Don't do that, because it is not the coaching वाला GTO who is important. It is the GTO who is conducting the task. He is important. So don't ignore or don't be casual because you have already heard in the coaching. वो आपके लिए नुकसान हो जाएगा. So please understand, listen to the briefing carefully, because these will establish the expectation from you. So there is a requirement to build up that, and then as part of your training you can see उस expectation के reference में आपका present level कहाँ पे है, how much is the gap. This is the role of coaching centers, and then they will give you the way to bridge that gap. Don't hide it. हाइडिंग में मैनिपुलेशन हो जाएगा. अगर आपके अंदर कोई डेफिशिएंसी है तो आप उसको छुपाना नहीं, आपने उसको भरना है. So that's what we do it here. So now I told you there are 9 briefing. Actually there are not 9 briefing. 9 briefing though definitely there for each of these tasks. What are those tasks? Group discussion, group planning exercise, progressive group task, group obstacle race, half group task, lecturate, individual obstacle, command task, and final group. These are the 9 task briefing. इसके अलावा there is one briefing which is called the pre-briefing, which is even done before the briefing for the group discussion. The aim of, what is that aim, all those things I'll tell you subsequently. And once you finish with that, there is a briefing called debriefing. All the first 9 task briefing and the pre-briefing, you're made to stand the way it is shown in the pre-briefing. You're made to stand and you're briefed. Only the debriefing, you are made to sit. In fact, all the tasks are over. The GTO also sits in front of you, and debriefing is conducted like this. What is the purpose of pre-briefing and debriefing? I'll tell you more about that. So please understand these briefing. Only then you will understand हर task में आपसे अपेक्षा क्या है. Now you cannot go to the GTO testing without having international affairs, current affairs, social issues, military related issues का knowledge के बिना, because आप GD में और lecturate में बोलोगे क्या? Then you will end up saying, I agree with you, let's cooperate, time is running out, let's not make fish market. That is not content. ये तो आप अपना खोखलापन दिखा रहे हो. So task expectation समझ में आ गया. Now what I want to tell you through this video is, I have made all the 9 task briefing and the pre-briefing and the debriefing in the courses.ganeshbabu.in. ना स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं करना. You can go there. All these briefings are made available so that you benefit from that and you exactly understand where is the what is the expectation and where do you currently stand, and then you can think of bridging it. Those who were preparing, doing self preparation, मैंने इसमें ब्रीफिंग का बोथ ऑडियो भी दिया हुआ है एंड वीडियो भी दिया है. सो उससे आपको क्या पता चलेगा, आप रोक के उसको देख सकते हो कि क्या बोलना चाह रहा जीटीओ. प्लीज पे अटेंशन टू द ब्रीफिंग इन द एसएसबी. नॉट हम कोचिंग में तो हम आपको बता देंगे, आपको समझ में भी आ जाएगा, लेकिन उसके कारण आप कॉम्प्लेसेंसी में आ जाता है, मुझे तो सब आता है, ये आपको नुकसान कर देगा, कैजुअलनेस में आ जाएगा. So do that, go there, and I will request you to kindly post your feedback, because वो feedback के बेस में future videos जो मैं बना रहा हूँ task wise, वहाँ पे आई कैन इंक्लूड दोज पॉइंट्स जो आप दे रहे हो, और आपको अच्छा लगता है तो डू शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स. दीज आर फ्री वीडियोस एंड लेट अदर्स ऑल्सो बेनिफिट. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली एक्सपेक्ट नॉट ओनली यू विल वॉच देम, यू विल ऑल्सो पुट योर फीडबैक. एंड उतना तो आप कर सकते हो. व्हेन आई एम मेकिंग दीज वीडियोज विद सो मच ऑफ क्लैरिटी, आई थिंक यू शुड put your feedback, and those feedback should not be good video. It has to be a constructive feedback which I can use it to build up the course content for the later series of these videos. So do that. इसके अलावा 2 weeks का online leadership and personality development program based on the concept of self-management leadership is starting from 10th January 2021. In fact, it is starting from on each Monday. So you can consider joining that. It will act as a foundation for your leadership and personality development. It is open for all categories of people: professional, working professional, SSB candidate, civil services, job, without job, married, everybody can join it. And it starts every Monday. The duration is 2 weeks. To register, 8275577650 is the number. SML classes are right now available only in the online mode, and you don't need to come to Pune to do that, because we realize ki this is a very intense course and the duration is 2 hours every day. After 2 hours आप पुणे में आते हो ऑफलाइन मोड में, तो you have lot of time. The expenditure is more because PG में रहना, food, accommodation, and the engagement is 2 hours, maybe 2.5, 3 hours, but it's too intense. झेल नहीं पाते हो, तो उसके बाद वो पूरा दिन पुणे में बैठने की बजाय में you can do it from the comfort of your home, and all the documents will be made available. So study material will be made. There's no study material, self के ऊपर काम है. So writing material, worksheets will be provided to you, so you can do that, and you benefit from this. That will act as a foundation for your life, and of course for your interview, any interview. So WhatsApp me at 8275577650. उसके अलावा 2 weeks of offline batch for the self अपना SSB interview AFOSOP के नाम से, which is India's only DIPR DRDO appreciated SSB guidance program, is also available in the offline modes, and fresh batch starts every Monday. The next batch is from 10th January 2022. To register, 8275577650 is the number on which you have to WhatsApp. 500% clarity is guaranteed. So hope to see large number. And once again, let me request you, please go to courses.ganeshbabu.in and watch those videos that are made available. Do share it with your friends if you find them useful, because it will definitely bring 500% clarity, and your feedback matters, and I'll use your feedback depending upon how constructive it is for building up the future video lectures. So hope to see your comments in large number. Thank you, and may God bless you. Thank you very much.